Hey guys, um, this is gonna be the first of the many videos that we're gonna be uploading in this channel. This is pretty much an introduction to the second feature that we're gonna be releasing this month. Um, it's called ANITO Bot. So basically, it's an automated and naturally intelligent tracking and ordering bot. So basically, it's a chat bot that's slash a support bot. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Alexander Burias. I'm the founder and the senior architect of MyTindahanPH, which will be launching soon. But we're gonna be pushing uh, features uh, piece by piece so that we can have something to use while waiting for the rest of the features. So um, yeah, so this is this video is gonna be about this bot that we'll be releasing. So what or who is ANITO Bot? So basically, ANITO Bot is your not so typical chat bot since it uses Facebook Messenger uh, as its main chat platform, but it can be integrated with other chat platforms. So its main features are order management. So basically, it takes orders from customers who commented on your post or your ad, or basically who chatted in your page that has a product. So it automatically takes their orders right from chat without going anywhere, without having any forms. So it takes natural conversation and asks for details naturally, like a real person or a chat support. And also, it has product management, so it takes products from your existing stores, either from your Shopify stores, or you can have in MyTindahan, or it will support as well other stores in the future. It also has package tracker, so basically you don't have to go to your specific courier's page, which is always down, to track your packages and where it is. It's integrated in as a feature in the bot, so you can just type in your tracking number. It's gonna search it and it's gonna update your customers without um, it, having VA or a chat support to go in there and track them yourself manually. So it's going to be automated. And then another feature is the customer verification. So it implements an OTP SMS verification, and it runs automatically. So basically, if the customer finalizes the order, um, it sends a message from the mobile number that it gives, and it asks for a one-time password, and then it verifies or flags the customer as a bogus or a legitimate customer. So those are the four main features. It has a few more features coming, but these are going to be the main features that we'll be releasing initially. And then yeah, so how pretty much does it work, like as a software or as an overview? So it's fairly simple. Um, First, you have to have your store. Either you can have it in Shopify, or you can set it up in MyTindahan, and then you set up everything, the name of your stores, your products and stuff like that, and then uh, it downloads your products. So it copies or syncs up your products into MyTindahan and the bot. So it gets all your product from Shopify so that it can integrate back into Shopify or MyTindahan when the order is complete. So, and then you need to assign your products to your specific Facebook pages. Either you can assign one product per page, or you can pretty much have multiple products. The bot will pretty much handle everything, if it is multiple or not. So it can take order based on how many products you have, single or multiple, which is nice. and then you basically just activate your bot, ANITO. You activate it for that page, and then it's pretty much live. So everybody who comments to your post in your page gets a message, uh, initial message, and then when they reply, you can start ordering stuff, and then you can pretty much start uh, get your orders and start earning. So the way ordering works is it goes back to where it came from. So when the bot gets the information and is verified, it goes back to your MyTindahan page, and then you have the ability to sync up the orders back to your Shopify page. So it's basically end to end. So it takes products from your Shopify, the bot sells it for yourself, and then logs in the orders back into Shopify as an order, and creates a new customer and creates a new order, without you doing anything manual and writing and finding the information for the user for yourself. It's pretty simple. Actually is. It looks complicated for the graph, but it's actually quite a few, like 4 steps to just set it up and have it running. We're gonna have separate videos on how to set up everything, so don't worry about it. This is just an initial introduction of how everything works and what it's capable of. So why ANITO Bot, and why not all, well, out of everything that's coming out currently? Why choose us over our competitors that has already been out and stuff? So first, it's powered by NLP, which is natural language processing. What this means is that your chatbot recognizes languages. Right now, it supports 3 major languages. It supports English, of course, and then Tagalog. It supports Tagalog ordering and tracking and everything. It also supports Cebuano language, since that's my native language. So what this means is that it recognizes conversational wordings. So if you ask it, bye, kumusta to mga products diha, so it will respond to you accordingly. So that's the power of natural language processing. It recognizes conversational language rather than a bot clicking a button, which is what's happening in almost all the chatbot features right now out there. So which is nice. It's also driven by machine learning. Machine learning is basically taking in all the data, so it means that this bot is going to get smarter and smarter with your orders. It's also going to get smarter based on the customers, the logistics, and everything that you have data on. So it's going to learn efficient ways to take orders, do cross-selling, do upselling, and all the data it's processing, it's going to learn how to handle your products and your customers efficiently. So that's the power of machine learning. And then so yes, as already mentioned before, it supports multiple products. You can have as many products as you want in your page, as long as it doesn't confuse your customers. So it takes in, so because it's powered by natural language, it understands what products you want to buy. So if you say I want to buy this, so it automatically maps it to that specific product and then orders it, and then goes back to Shopify, which is a nice feature. And then it also focuses on multi-services security architecture. What this means simply is that we have multiple levels of security based on where the transactions are happening. So it's securing from MyTindahan, and then down to the database layer and all the technical stuff. So all your information, all your customers' information are pretty much safe with this. And then lastly, of course, so the most important thing, it's built by a senior developer and a software architect that's been developing applications for more than 11 years. So I've been a developer for more than a decade, and I've built a lot of enterprise level applications that made uh, a lot of people happy. So I'm confident with this technology and the stability of this. And yeah, these are pretty much big reasons why you need to consider having ANITO Bot as your bot. So thank you. That's the first video for now. We're gonna send out a few more tutorials on the next couple of days consecutively, so that you'll know how to set it up and stuff. Yeah, you can visit us as MyTindahanPH.com, so you can learn more information, sign up basically, and learn more things or create an account for future references and stuff. So thank you, and I hope you learned something with this, and looking forward to working with you soon. Thanks.